I think our preference is still for a bipartisan bill. Healthcare is a very hard issue to tackle, but we're gonna get a bill done. And what happened in the last few days is very simple, and that is a good number of people on both sides of the aisle felt that doing the exclusion was a bad idea. That had been one of the major ideas out on the table. And so what we're doing now is looking for other revenue sources, not taking anything off the table, but looking for other revenue sources to see how to pay for it. What President Obama has said, and we Democrats in the Senate completely agree with, and I think most Republicans do too, is it should be paid for. That makes it a lot harder to do, but it also is the right thing to do and the responsible thing to do. And so right now we're in a process of looking at alternatives to the exclusion and seeing if those can garner the necessary votes. First, I think she's had, in the years I've been here, the smoothest process so far, the smoothest pre-hearing. From the date of nomination to the date of the hearing, she's done better than any candidate I have seen. First, she has been remarkably impressive at the interviews, and I think about 80 senators. Do we remember I don't remember the number. You would know maybe better than me, but a large, what? Yeah, okay, 88 senators have sat down with her, and I hear it from my colleagues on both sides of the aisle how impressive she is. Second, I think that it's come across that she is just what conservatives have been asking for, in the sense that she is not an, quote, activist judge, but she is what Justice Roberts would say is judicially modest. You know, the opponents seem to have been overreaching. I think this Pearl Deaf thing that they came out with today is overreaching. Everyone knows when you serve on a board of a nonprofit, it's not that you endorse every single policy or thing that the nonprofit has done. The board has other purposes. She wasn't running the show, she was a board member. And to try and link her to everything that Pearl Deaf did is sort of guilt by association. And they have a letter today, which I'll be reading on the floor of the Senate, which I can get to you, which refutes it. This is Pearl Deaf itself. So my prediction, she's going to pass with a large number of Republican votes.